The stock market is off to a stunning start in October. We are turning to Dan Deming at KKM Financial for his view of the market action. Dan, what are you watching this week?
Well, Angie, with the lack of news this week as far as data from the government, I'm focused on the Fed. Once again this week, we got a lot of Fed speak, highlighted by Fed Chairman talking on Thursday. So that's certainly one area the market's going to be focused on. Second area will be the government shutdown. Will it get resolved or will it continue to linger, and will it impact the market as it has not to this point as we continue to see the equity markets moving higher? And the third thing would be a new month as we enter October, historically a very volatile month. Not necessarily the worst month of the year, though, but just historically a very volatile month. And you're seeing that anticipated in some of the indices, particularly when you look at the VIX.
Dan, what's happening behind the scenes? During Friday's session, the Dow, the NASDAQ, the S&P, and the Russell all reached fresh record highs. Should investors be cautious, or is the trend your friend?
Well, the one thing I hear, Angie, when you hear the market being discussed is there's still a significant amount of bearishness out there. And so, the old saying is the market can remain irrational much longer than most can remain liquid. In this case, you're seeing, I think, short sellers continue to realize some serious pain in the upward move in this market. And the bearishness is something that counterbalances, some of the bullishness in the market. So that wall of worry theme comes into play. So I think there's several factors here. Yeah, is it overvalued from a historical standpoint? But we're seeing the economy continue to chug along at a very strong pace. Labor market softening, but to be expected. And we'll have to see if the government data comes back online. And if that does, then that could change the narrative regarding inflation. But overall, the momentum is the key here, and the momentum remains to the upside.
Thank you for your commentary.
All right. Thanks for having me in.